Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Have you ever craved for something sweet after a meal and realized there's nothing in the house to satiate that craving? We definitely have. So we would like to share our 5-minute mug cake recipes that has always hit the spot after that sweet tooth starts acting up. So let's get started. First, the chocolate mud mug cake. In a mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and mix well. To it, add 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of oil, an egg, one-fourth teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix well. Fold 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips to this. Microwave it for 2 to 2 minutes and 15 seconds, depending on the power of your microwave. The cake will rise, and when it starts to fall, you know that your cake is done. Top it with your favorite ice cream. Enjoy your chocolate mud cake. Now, red velvet mug cake. In a mug, take 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon curd, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, and red food coloring, and mix well. Microwave till the cake rises and then starts to fall. This will take about 1 minute and 45 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on the power of your microwave. Top with whipped cream, cream cheese frosting, or ice cream of your choice. We hope you have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to show us your support. Until next time, happy cooking.